Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Well, my name is Mithilesh Kumar Chaudhary and I am an English language tutor and communication expert. I always help my students overcome their fear of public speaking. Guys, today with me here, these are the extraordinary students of my center and they have completed basic recently and they have been promoted in intermediate batch. Guys, that is why today we are going to make a special video for you guys, and this is the video of discussion, and the topic is joint family versus nuclear family. So guys, before starting the video, first of all I want to introduce everybody. Okay guys, so now I am going to introduce first of all you.
Thank you, Bhaiji. I'm Divya of class 10th, and today we are going to discuss about nuclear family and joint family. Thank you.
Okay, now you have to introduce yourself.
Thank you. I'm Kajal and class of 11th. Today I'm going to discuss about joint family and nuclear family. So I think it's a beautiful topic today. So thank you.
Okay, give me the mic.
Hello friends, good morning. And firstly, I thanks to my bro. And well, my name is Dolly Kumari. I did in class 11th and presently I am learning English under guidance of Mithilesh Bro. And today topic is joint family and nuclear family. That's it.
Thank you. Okay, now you have to introduce yourself, Mr. Deepak.
Well, my name is Deepak Kumar, and today the topic of the nuclear family versus joint family.
Alright. My name is Rajiv. Me, Ajay Kumar Thakur. And today we are talking about nuclear family and joint family. Thank you.
Good morning, bro. Well, my name is Ashra Kumari. I would like to thank for all of you for allowing me to express my views. And today's topic nuclear family and joint family. That's it.
So before starting the video guys, I would like to tell you one thing that is very important things. People always think that if you are making mistake, so it is a big problem. So guys, do not think about your mistake. You only think about your good things, okay? Because mistakes are our parts of our life. So you have to speak without any thinkings, without any errors. Okay guys, so now I would like to know the opinion of Divya.
Well, I'm in the favor of nuclear family, but I think that joint family also good because in joint family it consists many members. But I'm in the favor of nuclear family because if we are in nuclear family, if we have nuclear family, then we get freedom for do anything, and we are not worried about what other members think, and we can do anything freely for because I have no any care. I have no any.
Thank you so much, Divya. I think Divya belongs to nuclear family, guys. So now I would like to know the opinion of Kajal. So what do you think that which family is best family? So first of all, you have to tell about what is family, and thereafter you have to tell me which family is best family to live and get success. Joint family or nuclear family?
First of all, I would like to tell you about what is family. Guys, family is the most important to human life because if you have a family, then you can do anything. And I think whether it is a joint family and whether it is nuclear family, both are same family, and we should respect our family. And second, I would like to tell you about what is nuclear family. A family is where live grandfather and mother, uncle, aunt, and parents, their children. It is called joint family. And after that, I would like to tell you about what is the nuclear family. And the family is live nuclear family. So both are same family, and I think it's my personal opinion. We should respect our family. And I think in a student life, nuclear family is the best family.
Okay, Kajal. After that, I will come you again, and I want to know your opinion again. So Dolly, what is your opinion? Which family is best family to live, to get success? Because in this time, everybody wants to get success in their life. Okay, and if you are living in a family that family plays a vital role to to get success in your life. So what is your personal opinion? I want to know now.
Firstly, guys, I tell you what is the family. Family, we know that family is the best important in human life.
Okay, good.
Because there we learn many more things very safely way.
Good.
And I belong to joint family. That's why I tell you what is the joint family. Joint family is the best family of everyone, because in this family there are many more family
Then look at the
members.
camera.
And I have talked to me that time I have 14 members in my home, and my opinion is that joint family is the best family. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Dolly thinks that joint family is the best family. Okay, now I would like to know the opinion of Archana. What do you think? What is your favorite family and which you ever to live?
First of all, I would like to talk about what is family. Family is considered to be the most essential part of person's life. Every individual is taught about what is the importance of family. The childhood days, there are two types of family: joint family and a nuclear family. One of the most essential parts of family. First of all, I tell you what is joint family. A joint family is a large family where the grandparents, parents, and uncle, aunts live in together one of the roof, and that is called joint family. And what is nuclear family? Nuclear family is a small family where the parents and their children live, but not including in grandparents and parents. That is called nuclear family. And I'm belong to nuclear family, and I'm in the favor of nuclear family. Nuclear family have a more freedom. You can go anywhere. But joint family, you have many issues, have problems. You can't go anywhere. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Archana. According to Archana, opinion, Archana, thinks that if you live in a nuclear family, then we have freedom to go anywhere. Okay, you do not have to ask to anyone. I have to go somewhere. Okay, guys. Now I would like to know the opinion of Mr. Ajay. What do you think, Mr. Ajay? Okay, you do not have to explain, what is family. Okay, because everybody knows that what is family. You have to tell the, which is your favorite family and which do you want to live.
Thank you, Haji. I am living in joint family and I like so much joint family because joint family is always happy. Whether we sad, whether we happy, then joint families every time helps me. And if I need some money and everything, that time joint families always support me. That's why I like so much joint family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Ajay. And Ajay also thinks that if you are living in a joint family, then we can easily to share your problem to anyone, and definitely you will get a good result, and you can easily to take the action. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajay. It is very good opinion. Now I would like to know the opinion of Mr. Deepak. What do you think, Mr. Deepak? Which is your favorite family and which is better family to live to get success for those guys who really want to do something for in their life?
Thank you so much, Raji. According to me, I would like to say something about, because everybody gives the idea of what is the family and what is the joint family and what is the nuclear family. The main point is that I would like to choose the joint family, because in the joint family we always be happy, and whatever I am doing in life, the all guys and all family members always support me, and many more times many more times everybody talks about the joint family is not more than happy, and in the joint family different type of obstacles. I think I don't care what is the opinion of this type of thing who want to talk about this type of activity. But right now condition is that I am not 100% saying the nuclear families are not a good. All families are good, but condition is that which type of people live in your family. That is a main point. And I belongs to the joint family. In the joint family, I have eight or nine brother, and they all live to is together, and they all my brothers help to me, and I am always help to my junior brothers and elders also. That's it. That's in my opinion.
Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak. And Deepak is favor of joint family. Thank you so much. Now I would like to know the opinion of again Dipya. I want to know from you, Miss Dipya, if you want to success in your life, then which family is best? I'm not talking about the joint family, and I'm not talking about the nuclear family. For a student, which family is best? Because a lot of people think that if you are living in a joint family, then sometimes you disturb to anyone. Okay, so what do you think? It is right?
Yeah, it is right. I think I am also a student, so I think that nuclear family is best for a student life.
Okay. Now what do you think, Dolly? What do you think that if you are a student, then which family is best to live? Just speak boldly, okay? Do not think that camera is running or video is shooting. Do not think about it. You have to think that whatever is doing in classroom, that is the same thing is just happening. Okay, good. Speak. Go on.
The student
Speak in mind.
live in joint family because I belong to joint family. That time I have a lot of problem. That time my elders and my small brother also help me, and my parents and my grandparents, uncle, aunt also help me. That's why I love to my joint family. That's it.
Okay, and my question is to you, which family is best for a student? So you are agree with my question?
Yeah. Yeah, joint family is the best family is our student.
But Dolly thinks that if you are a student, then also joint family is the best family. But problem is that, Dolly, I want to know you. Some students and some people think that if you are living in a joint family, then we have no freedom to go anywhere. If you want to take any permission, then you have to take the permission from your grandpa and grandmother. So is it right? And if you are living in a nuclear family, then don't take the permission from your parents and anyone.
Firstly,
Speak in mic, right?
firstly you live in a joint family. That time your grandparents you ask where you go, but it is depend on your environment, because you go to Delhi. That time you go anywhere. That time you ask your grandparents. You don't ask your grandparents where are you going. Talk about nuclear family. That time you go to anywhere. That time your parents ask you where are you going. I belong to joint family, but I know nuclear family. That's it.
So I think the both family are the doing such type of work. Yeah?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Mr. Deepak, what do you think about this matter? If you are living in a joint family and if you are living in a nuclear family, it is the same happening. Yeah? Is it right?
I think no, maybe because Dolly and Divya are talking about in the joint family. Personally, as a student, you feel the different type of things, like there are so many obstacles because a student do not survive in your life in the joint family. I think I am also belong to the joint family. Condition is that which type of people in your family.
Very good.
The problem is the both of family. If you are belongs to the nuclear family, that time also, and if you are belong to the joint family, there is also problem. But right now, I am belongs to the joint family. There is so many people, and whenever I am doing the well job, that time never ask me my grandparents and my maternal uncle. Nobody ask me what are you doing. But condition is that whenever I am going to the not a good word, and I am saying about that bad word, that time that's it. No, that time he asked me, this is not a good for you. I think he suggests me as a student, this is not good. This is not a good for you. That's it.
Okay.
This is my personal opinion.
Okay. Now, Archana, do you want to say something in the last?
According to me, nuclear family is the best. You can get success in the world, and you can live in nuclear family. Don't worry, ask you go anywhere, and you can go because suppose that you get a good job, then definitely he boost you, so you can do this type of work. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. You have spoken a very strong point, everyone. Okay, guys. And in the last, I would like to tell you one thing, guys. If you want to do something and if you want to get success in your life, then family plays a vital role. We don't say that if family doesn't matter. Family matter a lot. So we must live in a good family. We must have a good family so that your family can support you to do something. Hey, mister, you can do it. But if your family is not supporting you, so I don't think that you can get a success. Okay, guys. So in the last, I would like to tell you one thing, guys. अगर हमारे स्टूडेंट ने अगर कुछ गलतियाँ किया होगा, तो आप लोग जानते हैं कि mistakes are the parts of life, and mistake is committed by everyone. So do not think about that like that, guys. Okay. And now I am going to stop here video, guys. So in the last, I would like to tell you guys, if you are new here on my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe this video, and so that definitely you will get more videos in coming time.